I tried making this salad and my friends were like, Dorcas, what did you add? What did you add? Hi guys, welcome back. So in today's video, I'm making this potato salad, and these are just potatoes that I peeled. I'm sorry, I lost the footage, so forgive me, but I just peeled and then I cut them into these sizes, and I added salt. I just added salt, and we are going to cover this and allow it to cook for about 15 minutes or until it's soft, not very soft. Okay, so about 10 minutes I came to check and it was really boiling because I was busy. Dorcas is always busy, in a hurry, going to do something, so I just gave it a quick stir and I checked it was a little hard, so I covered again and allow it to continue boiling, and I came to check and it was soft. So you don't want this to be very soft, but you don't want it to be hard, okay, because this is potato. So just like this texture as you can see in the video. So it was ready, and then I just off the heat and I'm going to take it off the fire. And the next thing that you do right from this is to add water into this so that the cooking process stops. You can even add ice cubes if you have, but I did not have ice cube at this point, so I just poured off the hot water and added normal water to just stop the cooking process. So from here you are just going to take away your potatoes from the water, just like I'm doing in the video. And the next thing, I just cleared everything and I added this mixed vegetables. So we have carrots, some green peas, we have some corn, and I also added this sausages. Guys, trust me if I tell you this potato is a must try, okay? I added some boiled eggs that I also chopped, and I added this black pepper. At this point, you have to try this, trust me. And I added this condensed milk, but it's all homemade, so yes, it's a little lighter. That is how I wanted it. And I added this mayonnaise as well. Guys, you definitely want to try this potato salad for your programs or for yourself in your house, and everybody is going to like it. So the next thing you want to do is just stir everything together until each potato is mixed with all this goodness. Guys, the mayonnaise, condensed milk, sausage, egg, like every bite is just a hit. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Like, share, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and share my videos to your friends and family. Thank you, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye guys.